Junmar from way outside! Naki-3 points na si Junmar Fajardo!
Substitution, Billy Camarel for Junmar Fajardo.
Kyle Slau throws it away. Coming out of that timeout, it's upstairs to Junmar. Touchdown. It's a high wall to climb for the Road Warriors. So they have to start somewhere. May foul! At napasok pa ni Junmar Fajardo. Nine minutes, 18 seconds remaining in the third period. Baseline drive. Inaktak pa, meron pang foul na kasama. And JP Eram was surprised at the quickness of the Kraken sa play na yun, Doc. Sabagnot at the baseline. Left it for Arwin. Napunta kay Junmar. Parang kalahati na lang si Kinihan. Mga one-third na wala sa kanya. Look at that.
Junmar, matagal kang nawala. Recently ka lang nakabalik ng practice. Pero yung cohesiveness, yung chemistry with you and your teammates, parang walang nagbago. Parang walang adjustment.
Una-una, napapasalamat kami kay God na walang na-injury sa game na to. And, lagi kami nire-remind ni Coach na pag mahaba yung break, minsan yung tendency ng team parang nagre-relax. So, ayun, kailangan namin manalo eh. Kailangan namin ipanalo yung remaining games namin kasi may goal kami, may hinahabol kami na standing. So, ayun, lahat nag-step up, lahat ng pinasok ni Coach nag-step up. So, credit sa lahat. So, maganda yung tinakbo namin sa opensa, lalo na rin sa depensa. So, ayun, buti nakuha namin yung panalo ito.
Mga babatiin ba?
Sa lahat ng mga babae, happy International Women's Day. Lalo na sa parents ko. So, ayun, binabati ko kayong lahat. Okay. Sila Mama, Papa, Jay, mga pamangkin ko, Lolo Berting, mga pinsan ko, mga tiya ko, mga tiyo, extensive family. So, ayun, thank you.